Let's pick release a transfer order in Oracle Cloud. Hi, it's Linus, and in today's video we'll cover the second step of the transfer order process, picking. So let's jump into the demo environment here. I'm in as Casey Brown, and as usual we want to navigate to supply chain execution and then inventory management. And what we want to do now is click on the task panel on the right and then switch from inventory to shipments. And then we want to click on manage shipment lines. What's important, of course, is that you have your order number ready. So I have it and copy it in here and check if the ship from organization is correct. For me, this is correct because I requested some supply from this organization 001. And as there's only one line search result, this will give you this vertical view right away. And what I want to do is put in some information here. Obviously the ship quantity should be 13 because this is what we requested in the transfer order that we created. Then I'll have a weight of 1, let's put 0.8, and then some numbers, doesn't really matter. Okay, so what you want to do now is going for the pick release by clicking on actions and then clicking on pick release. So for the technical part, that's already it, but it's very important that you understand what we actually did in this step. Pick releasing in the context of transfer orders creates move orders, so pre-approved requests for sub-inventory transfers in the organization to transfer the material that will be picked to the staging area. So staging is the last area that an item usually sees before it's leaving an inventory organization. In most organizations, that's actually a physical area, a physical sub-inventory where the trucks are coming in and I'm loading the trucks and I'm sending them away. For transfer orders, it's therefore needed that we have at least a logical sub-inventory for staging purposes. Please understand, by pick releasing, we're creating these move orders like pre-approved sub-inventory transfers to transfer the material from our normal storage to this staging sub-inventory. And that's what we just did. So now we're in staging, and the next step obviously is to ship this material out. And that's what we're going to cover in the next video.